Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck and I'm getting into it because I love this hair. Today I've teamed up with HERMOSA hair and they sent this beautiful gorgeous girl. She's a free part frontal, she fits glueless, and she has literally the most soft, bouncy, spiral Shirley Temple curls on the planet. They're so buttery soft, and like when you hit them with the mousse and they start to dry, they start to literally like Shirley Temple really nicely. I'm gonna jump into the tutorial and show you how I did a full install, cut the lace and all of the things. Of course, I have a direct link and all of the details down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, you guys just seen the intro, and I wanted to show you guys before we started what the hair looks like dry in case you're curious. It is now 9:30, almost 10 o'clock, and this is the hair completely dried. I've been to dance, I've been out being a dance mom for like the last 4 or 5 hours, did dinner and all of the things, and now I'm about to put her in a bonnet. But I wanted you guys to see the outcome of what the curls look like dry. They look like the most like natural mixed chicks like style of curls. The way the hair dries is absolutely gorgeous, very natural looking, and this is what she looks like from the back. Okay, now we can get on to the tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm headed to pick up my kids from school and I need a wig on my head. Today I am teaming up with HERMOSA hair. Love this purple, it just screams real and goddess with the gold emblems. But we are going for a curly, wavy look today. Look at how beautiful this texture is. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna switch over to voiceover mode and we're just gonna go ahead and bond her down, and then when we get back we can go ahead and style her. This is a free part lace, which means you can part it anywhere, and you even get a little extra excess lace at the nape, including your strap and your comb. You also get your adjustable removable elastic band, and then you also get 2 combs here. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw her on, style her up. Okay, I know I said I was switching over to voiceover mode, but look at how beautiful this hair is. It is nice, full, and wavy, and I love the fact that there's a little bit of dimension here with the layer. This is what the hairline looks like. She is set as a bust down middle part, but you can most certainly switch the parting over to maybe like a side part, and because it's a free part you can definitely go deep side part, and even with that layer it's really nice. You can even cut it up and go for more of like a her vibe. Super cute. Oh, I love this. Let me show you guys the texture from the back. All right, let's cut off the lace and bond her down. Okay, 2 basic things I noticed about this one. Number 1, I cut off the ear tabs so that she can fit glueless, and also the fact that this is a frontal. And look at this, it fits my head so snug, literally like a glove. You really don't have to bind it down. I mean, you should, but should you want to just throw it on like a hat, you could. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw the melt belt on. Ooh, look at how pretty this hair is. It is so much dimension. And then I have on this jacket from Amazon, and she's definitely causing me grief. Okay, let's see if we can start off with a 1 product styler. This is the Lotta Body Mousse. You guys know she is my favorite. And see if we can skip the dynamic duo today. I think we got it moisturized. Let's go ahead and comb it out. She's like buttery soft, I will say that. All right, I'm gonna go get the kids and then let this air dry, and I will be right back. Café número 2 is in full effect, and it probably is perfect. I like this cup because it keeps everything hot. I made this at like 3:15, right before I left to, oh no, I made it like 3. It's been over an hour and it's still really hot. So I went and got the kids, and as you guys can see, I was like running late, or I thought I was. So apparently every time I'm trying to film, there's gonna be work being done outside. But anyways, I'm just adding a little bit of water because you guys seen I did go in generous with the H2O, I mean the mousse. Pick it up. Okay, so I just added a little water to the back because I went out and got the kids, just did a little bit of homework and getting Cody trenched up for dance. And in the process, even before I left, I didn't really clump the curls. I just added the mousse and ran out. So let's go ahead and make everything perfect. Always make sure you get in the back and underneath. This appears pretty dry and you guys can see how beautifully it dries. It's just kind of like I didn't actually form the curls. I kind of just hopped up and left because I was running late, or I thought I was late. And then the FedEx guy came with like 4 more packages for me. So it was like I needed to go sign for the packages, run down. I figured I might as well just go and get the kids while I was already away. But it seems like every time I talk, they're gonna grind whatever they're grinding out there. So I'm gonna throw the hair back and allow it to just finish drying, or re-dry rather. And we can do the hairline. So this has been on for like an hour at this point, which definitely wasn't necessary or intended, but I do want to open the parting up front with the dynamic duo. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we will decide, do we want baby hair? I think we should add some baby hair and open it up a little bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like after we gave it a little TLC. The only thing we're missing, every time I talk. Okay, let's try this again. I think we're almost done with the look. Very heavily distracted in my house, but we move. I am gonna go ahead and tint the lace, and I'm gonna start off with the cream foundation from Ruby Kisses in the shade 15 and just pack it into that parting space as best as I can. You want to give the illusion of a skin-like appearance, and sometimes it takes trial and error to really get it right. I think this is gonna look good, but again, it takes trial and error to get it right. So I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna take the same cream foundation in the shade 15 and just pack it along the hairline. The hairline is pretty wet, so it's better to do this when it's dry, but because it's not a powder, it's still okay. That looks amazing. And that is pretty much it. It looks super fire. I hate that I had to re-wet it to really get it how I wanted it. But now we're gonna go ahead and allow it to air dry. It is also conveniently time for dance. So let me show you guys the packaging. So as I mentioned, this one is from Hermosa Hair, and they sent over this beautiful regal dust bag. I love a good purple and gold moment. It just represents richness and royalty. Inside was this mesh bag, and in it you do get your invisible HD wig caps. We also got some little travel makeup brushes. My kids always steal them from me, so when I need some, I don't have none. This is by far one of my favorite sets that I have seen as far as like press on nails, and it's more or less like a cow print with one pop of pink in there. These are really cute, and I've definitely worn this style many a times, and I always get compliments on these, so I love to have a fresh pack of those. And then here is a 2-pack of mink lashes, and these are really nice, and these are perfect to like leave in your car or like in your makeup bag, because when you run out of your favorites, these come in handy. I know at this point a lot of us have our go-to, our favorites, but it's nice to have some fresh strips on hand in case we need them. Even if you are a individual girl, sometimes you gotta throw on a strip and make it do what it do. But this is the look. I really love this one. You guys seen how it looks when it's dry. It's really like the best soft bouncy baby doll curls. It's the type of hair that when it's wet, it surely temples really nicely, which lets you know it's some really good hair. I did go ahead and open up the hairline and add some baby hair. You can thin this out if it's not your zhuzh, but I like it as is. I'm gonna put the milk belt back on to let everything kind of smoothen out, but chef's kiss. I'm gonna go ahead and head out to dance. We have, I'll keep wanting to say stretch. We had stretch yesterday. We have acro and tap tonight, and then probably gonna make some homemade baked mac and cheese and some chicken or something tonight. So that should be good. I have a link to this wig as well as all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.